guys, I just shoved this side of the pond in. Dad's down there with the excavator dishing it out and packing it in a lift, so I'm taking some of this muck from out of the pond and piling it over here. But we're trying to get that a little bit up to grade so that we can dig a trench. Alright guys, so we got quite a bit of the pond filled up here. Doing it in lifts, so backfill a little dirt and then track pack it with the excavator. And then bale some more dirt down in there. And then do it all over again. So Dad's just kind of getting himself set up by a pile to bale dirt in, and then I'm just pushing dirt to him. And he's throwing it in there. I'll go in there and smooth it out, and then he's track packing it. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. Alright guys, so it's light out now. I'll do a little walk around. So yesterday we cut the pipe, so this drain here has been here and the pipe used to run straight to the pond there, so we cut that and then hooked on and went that way, hooked it into another drain that we put in yesterday right here, which will be on the inside of the new building. And then we got this one here that tees into this one, and this one runs straight to that one. So now what we got to do is trench over and find that line, because there's another drain line that ran back to the pond, and we got to connect it to here. And well, it's either going to connect here or YN at some point down, because what we're going to do is run a straight line right down the middle of the building and then put a dry well in at the very end. So we got one more drain to put in down there, so there'll be 3 drains inside of the building, and then we got to set another tank for all the drain wire to go into, but I think that that's going to happen in the spring. So that's why we're filling this pond up right now, so we can trench through it. So that's kind of what's going on right now. Dad's finishing throwing some dirt in there. And we're going to start trenching again. Alright guys, so we got quite a bit trenched in here. Dad had to run and pick up a fitting and a couple more pieces of pipe. So basically we got quite a bit of pipe laid here. We started back there and trenched our way. We got another basin gonna go right here. But what we're doing is hooking this basin into this so that it'll flow down to this final basin, and then we'll run couple more sticks of pipe out the back of the building, and that's where our dry well will sit. So Dad wants to go get a little more pipe, and then a little 22 for right here just to angle it up and hook it into this basin. I'm gonna hop on the mini here and start backfilling this pipe. And alright guys, so we have got all the pipe in the ground. We're getting ready to backfill. So basically I'll just start from the beginning with you guys. So that crack, we ran a pipe over into this crack here. We put a new crack in here. That sits alone, and that'll collect all the water coming down through here. Shoot it over to this crack, which comes out of that building too. And this crack connects to that one over there. So what we did was come over here and catch this drain line out of the side of the building from way up there, and re-ran it and widened it into the third crack down for the center of this new building. And what we had to do was wire this in here so that the water in here would flow down to that main pipe and then down to the third crack. And then from the third crack where all the water sits, we ran another pipe all the way down here to the end. And for now, Dad's putting a big hole to catch all the floor water. We stub this pipe out here and it'll collect in this hole. But eventually what's gonna happen is we're gonna hook onto that pipe that's stubbed out, run it around the corner and put a dry well in. So that is the drain situation that we had to change around. So we took all the pipes that were in this pond at one time, we filled this pond up, re-ran everything down to a lot simpler, and then so it'll all be in one area. Now we got to go through and backfill and compact everything, and then get this site ready for the builders to come in and start drilling posts, because they want to get going on this building. And we got snow coming tomorrow, so we're gonna try to get this all graded up tonight, and I'll pick you guys up when we get going on that. So alright guys, Dad's getting the last of this building pad polished off. We've got everything backfilled. We're trying to get this pad site pretty close because we got about 6 inches of snow coming between tonight and tomorrow night, so we wanted to hurry up and get this done. So we got this pad pretty well leveled off. I'm going to go ahead and shovel some tracks out and park the equipment. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you will, go ahead, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.